When you hear the word crochet, what's the first thing comes of in your mind? Is it a dusty dolly on your grandma coffee table or maybe a scratchy sweater from 1970s? Well, it's time to hit the refresh button. Today, crochet isn't just a hobby, it's a high-end interior design statement. We are talking about the texture that breathes life into a room, sustainable material that feel like a hug. And that's where did you get the factor that mass produced decor just can't touch? If you are looking for a way to elevate your space, or if you are looking for your next bestseller on Etsy and Shopify, you are in the right place. Stick around because we are diving into the crochet world of home decor trends that are absolutely taking over the market right now. First up, the statement pillow. In the world of online retailers, texture sell. Why? Because you can almost feel it through the screen. Look at those oversized pillow, puffies, and bubble stitches cushion that add 3D element to every sofa. Next, we are moving to the walls. Wall art used to be all about painting, but the fiber art moving it a huge on Etsy right now. Whether it's a large scale macrame style crochet hanging or a set of minimalist nested basket, these pieces solve the hard line of room. And let's talk about the plant hangers. In a world obsessed with indoor jungles, a hand crochet sling for a photos or a spider plant is an easy, slow cost entry point for customers. These make incredible gifts, which is a goldmine for your holiday sales strategy. Now let's talk about the head to the heart of home, the kitchen. Forget those flimsy plastic mat. Imagine a dining table set with a thick spiral stretchy jute placement. This is what we call functional art. Items like mug rugs, which are essentially tiny for your coffee. We can talk about